Hello, I'm your food girl and I'm with Dynasty Africa. My name is Cynthia Chinonso Onyamana. I'm popularly known as your food girl, the #1 food blog in Lagos per. You always know me, so when I start, I go with, hey foodies. Biggest influencer in Nigeria currently, should I say me? Anyways, I think I'll pick Enioluwa though. If I need to start myself for an event, I'm going to pick Urban Essay. Yes, she's so good, so she knows what she does, and every outfit she knows how to cover it. So it's going to be funny, but I think I'm going to choose Fashigram. He knows how to make yam and egg sauce. Well, right now I'll choose Fly because the cost of flights is crazy. So I'm going to say my superpower should be Fly, so that I need to go places. The most embarrassing thing that happened to me was my ring lights fell on me. So it broke, so I had to improvise. So I had to use my tripod and had to pull out the head of the ring light and using the light on my tripod. So that's the only way I could shoot that content at that time. Okay, I think I have to remember because there are a lot. That's like one thing creators go through. So people would not really agree to what you do. So there are always the negative parts in it. I can't really remember any. There are like so many actually. I'll give up Snapchat. Nothing happens on Snapchat. Nothing happens on Snapchat. Snapchat, please go. Leave the rest for me. That's like the only one. I give up on Snapchat. I dance when I'm sitting, please. I don't know how to dance when I'm sitting. I don't have any celebrity crush, but Davido, I stand with him, by him, and for him. Ah, God. I went to shoot at a place I don't know, and I was chased by a street dog. God, I beg. I had to just hide like in someone's shop around the street, and I was saved. So I see myself as a solution provider. So basically, it's always trying to help them find easy places, affordable places, budget-friendly places. So it's like we are like the lab rats. Yes, I'll say that. So it is we going there first before them, and they feel safe after they have seen it on my platform to say, okay, we're now good to go, or we don't have to go there. About mission. Nike, Sprite, 7-Up, I don't know. There are plenty, yeah. Pampe. In Drive. Well. I'm going to get drunk today. No, I had a trainer, so. No, nah. I pretended to like Shadi Poppy. No. I'm alive my tea now. No, I've not. I'm always going to Cuba. Oh wow, I go be there more. I don't remember people's name. Hello, I'm your food girl and I'm with Dynasty Africa.